Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming the kit's expiry date and seal. This ensures accurate chemistry. Once done, wash your hands and gather the test and a timer or clock. You should use first morning urine when possible because it usually contains the highest HCG concentration. However, any concentrated sample works. Remove the test from its pouch right before use to avoid contamination. Make sure to read the quick instructions on the leaflet for that kit model. Then move immediately to collect your sample and apply it as directed. Now you apply the sample with steady hands. Dip the absorbent tip for the exact seconds the instructions state, typically 3 to 5, or use the provided dropper to add the specified number of drops into the sample well. Once done, lay the test flat on a hard surface and start your timer. Consistent timing matters because the test chemistry develops over a set interval. Keep the test undisturbed and avoid tilting or covering the result window, since directional flow and evaporation can alter the reading. When the timer reaches the specified moment, read the result quickly and within the allowed time window. After too long, evaporation lines can appear. A valid test always shows the control line. If you see control plus test line, you likely have detectable HCG. If only control appears, it's negative. If the control line is absent or the lines are faint and confusing, do not interpret it. Repeat the test with a new kit using fresh morning urine. If uncertainty persists, contact a clinician for a blood test.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.